a pleasant day. So all our listeners, you are turned into the Tech Rescue Hub. I am your host, Princess Angel Alagkawili. We all know that laptops are essential for our daily lives. But what happens when they fail us? And because life, just like tech, can be complicated, I'll be sharing some heart-to-heart reflections along the way. Let's get started. Third is when the screen is black but the power light is on. The device is running, but the display shows nothing. This is likely caused by losing of modules or a failed LCD panel. To troubleshoot, connect your laptop to an external monitor via HDMI to see if an image appears there. The solution is to reset the RAM sticks or replace the display cable. Safety first. Use an anti-static strap when touching internal hardware. Parang nasin ka lang sa Messenger. Alam mo online siya dahil bukas ang ilaw, pero pinipili pa rin yung iwanan ka sa dilim. There you have it. 8 laptop fixes and a little bit of life advice to keep you going. Whether it's a broken screen or a broken heart, there's always a way to fix it. Or better yet, a way to move forward. Once again, I am Princess Angel Alagkawili. Thank you for listening to the Tech Rescue Hub. Stay smart, stay guided, and stay connected. Goodbye.